Get fit in pink. Train with us. Next exercise, Cursty squat or princess lunge. This series will be level 1. Very important. Breathing must be controlled very well. Exercise execution. The initial position is standing with feet shoulder width apart. We pass the right foot behind the left leg at the same time as we bend the knees and lower the hips simultaneously. These should not rotate, they must always face forward. The left knee should be bent at a 90-degree angle, and the right should be just above the ground. Slowly pressing the heel of the left foot against the ground, return to the starting position. Inhale while squatting and exhale when returning to the starting position. Always keep your chest lifted and back straight. Please do not lean your torso forward when flexing the knee. Most of your weight should fall on the front heel. When returning to the starting position, contract your glutes to work that area very well. In this series, we will do 20 repetitions. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go 10 more. The name of this exercise is inspired by the way of squatting when performing it, as it seems that a bow is being made. This exercise is quite complete, as it promotes the work of the quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and calves, and the best part is that it is low impact, making it easy to perform in routines for beginners with very little chance of injury or discomfort afterward. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. Good job. Shall we move on to the next exercise? Tell us in the comments, what rank out of 10 would you give this exercise? If you like these videos, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe by activating the notification bell so that you can be the first to see all the exercises we upload for you. Thanks for watching.